type integer, initial value 10. What does it mean? Guys, with this statement, we have made a declaration that we want to use a variable with the name a whose initial value is 10. Guys, can you see? And guys, this is the way to declare a variable in Python. But as of now, guys, we have no idea what kind of variable it is. Whether it's an integer variable, whether it's a float, whether it's a str, a string, whether it's a boolean, whether it's a null, what kind of data type it is, guys, we can check this using a method called type. Can you see, guys? I'm also writing the statement here on the console. I can directly execute the statement here as well. Rather than writing the code here, I can write the code here as well on the console. And guys, if I say type, and then I'm telling that tell me what is the type of variable a, it says int to me. That means, guys, we have declared an integer variable like this. In Python, guys, you do not have to specify the data type. The data type of a variable is decided by the value that you assign. If you assign integer value, your variable become integer. If you assign a float value, your variable become a float. If you assign a string, your variable become a string type. Okay, so let me take one more example, guys. B is equal to 2.3. And if I select it and execute it using shift enter, guys, can you see? V is added there. And what is the type? Float is coming. Okay. Now see, guys, let me take one more variable. C is equal to true. If I execute it, guys, let's see what the type comes. Can you see, guys? C comes as a bool. Bool stands for boolean, true or false. And guys, mind it, capital T here. It's case sensitive. Okay. Similarly, guys, let's say I take D is equal to, guys, mind it, I'm saying double quote and say Fosk, for example. Select it and execute it, guys. Can you see what is the type coming for D? str. Can you see, guys? str. str means a string. Guys, how I have declared it? Using double quote. Okay, guys, let me one more declaration using single quote this time, guys. Let's see what the type comes. E, again str. That means in Python, guys, using double quote is allowed, using single quote is also allowed to declare a string. Let me tell you one more story, guys. F is equal to double quote single letter. F, again types comes out to be str, guys. Can you see? Types comes out to be str. Okay, guys, now the question comes, if I say something like single quote F, what would be the type of it? Can you answer this question, guys? If I say G is equal to single quote F, a lot of people are saying str. Sachin says it is char. Okay, Priya Prahlad says a string. Jashri says a string. Okay. Now, guys, if you are coming from a C programming background only, if you are coming from a C or C++ background only, and you are just beginner in Python, you may assume that this is going to be char. But guys, we have no char type in Python, right? Even though it is a single letter, single character, the data type is still str. So guys, all these four examples that I have used, all of these indicate a data type called str only, string only, string only, and string only. So guys, are you clear about this? So even if I select and execute it, the data type is going to be str. All of them are str only, guys. All of them are str. Yeah, Lavanya, you are right. And guys, let's say you use a variable. Okay, Jashri will talk about it later, not today. Okay, let's go in an easy way, and then we start picking up the complex stuff as well. Okay, so guys, H. Let's say, guys, you want to declare a variable, for example, and you have no idea that what kind of a value you should assign. whether you should assign a float value, whether you should assign a str, whether you should assign a boolean. In that case, guys, you can assign an initial value called none. Guys, none is basically equivalent to null in C programming. वहां पे null होता था, okay, and here it is none, guys. So if you select it and execute it, guys, you will see what is the data type here. None type is a data type and none is the value. Are you getting this difference, guys? None is the value that you have assigned and the data type is none type. So guys, if I quickly summarize what are the data types in Python as an inbuilt data type. So guys, what can be integer, what can be float, what can be bool, what can be str, what can be none type. Are you getting it, guys? These are the data types, you know, supported by Python. Guys, are you clear about it? कि क्या क्या data types हमारे Python में हैं? Okay, guys, I have a question for you. मुझे बताइए, guys, can you tell me that if I say something like x is equal to inside double quote and I say something like 10, guys, will it be a number or will it be a str? What do you say? Yes, you guys are absolutely right. This is going to be a str. Don't get confused with this 10 written there because you have used double quotes here. This is obviously going to be a str only, guys. Okay, and we can check it here as well. Type x str. Right, guys? Okay. Now, guys, let declare one more variable where I say the company name C name is equal to Fosk, for example. This is our, and now everybody knows that the data type for this is str. So मैं यहाँ पे भी लिख सकता हूँ. Guys, if you do not get the output with this simple statement, just use a print in case you guys do not get the output on console, just use a print statement.